Some cakes smell nasty.
I'm just trying to, I just want to see like how well this thing does.